Souvlaki is an absolute powerhouse of convenience, flavor, and speed. Juicy, charred, salty, citrusy meat that on its own hits you with a big hit of garlicky goodness, wrapped up in a pillowy pita turned taco loaded with freshly marinated vegetables and punchy, creamy yogurt sauce. It's basically the perfect food. Cooked on a grill or under the broiler, souvlaki can be cooked in as little as 10 minutes, making it a perfect meal for any day of the week. First thing I like to start off with, of course, is marinating my chicken. You can use either breasts or thighs, but generally I prefer to use thighs for the better flavor. If I'm using breasts, I'll cube them up into 1-inch pieces before marinating to help that marinade get all up in there. For each pound I'm marinating, I'll use 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, grated on a microplane, half a lemon, zest and juice, 2 teaspoons of marjoram, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a few cracks of black pepper, and 7 grams or 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Then I'll just mix that up and leave it in the fridge until I'm ready to cook it. I'd suggest at least an hour, but if you want to speed this up, you can leave it out at room temperature for about 30 minutes instead. While that's sitting, I'll go ahead and start marinating some vegetables for my pitas. I'll grab a bowl and cut up some cucumber, some red onions, and some tomatoes, all to roughly even sizes. I'll add a little olive oil, salt, and just a little splash of red wine vinegar. Then I'll just set that aside until I'm ready to start building my pitas. Now ideally you would cook this on a grill, but a broiler also does the trick. So I'll fire that bad boy up on high and lay out my chicken on a baking sheet. If you're using breasts, I'd recommend using skewers, they definitely help here, but if you're using thighs, you don't really need them. Before I toss my chicken in the oven, I'll move my top rack down to just above the middle. I find that any higher than this and I fill my place with a little bit more smoke than I really want, but it does give me a much better char. While that's in the oven, I'll get the rest of my fillings together. I'll shred some iceberg lettuce. I like to add some crumbled feta in, some black olives, and of course I'll make a sauce. Now if you want tzatziki instead, I've actually got a killer homemade tzatziki recipe on my website. I'll leave a link down in the description for that. But all I've really been able to find is that it's made with yogurt and mustard. In a small bowl, I'll mix roughly 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I'll add a little bit of chopped dill. I'd say about a tablespoon. This weighed 8 grams. Little salt. Add a little bit of oil to it. Lemon juice, and just mix it on up. Alright, now my chicken's been in the oven for about 12 minutes. My chicken thighs are nicely charred, but my breasts didn't get quite the color I was hoping that they would. But they are cooked, so let's start building these bad boys. Alright, I've got my pitas. I'm using fresh homemade pitas because honestly, there's really no comparison. But if you don't want to go to the trouble, you can certainly use store-bought as well. I'll throw a bit of sauce on there. Hit it with a nice little bed of shreddis. Big old pile of marinated veggies. Then I'll add my chicken. Top it with some crumbled feta and some olives. Then I'll hit it with a little extra sexy sauce on top, and we're ready to crush some souvlaki, bud. Alright, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.